how to sign in WeChat without QR code. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can sign into WeChat without QR code. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the WeChat application on your device. After launching the application on your device, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see your profile, your number, and then you'll be asked to enter in your password. So just go ahead and enter in your password into the slated space. Then click on login. And then after clicking on login, you'll wait for the page to load. Once it has loaded, automatically you'll be brought to your WeChat chat page. And then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see options like chat, contacts, discover, me. And then by clicking on the me option, you'll be taken to the me page where you see details about your account. So this is how you can sign in on WeChat without making use of QR code. You can make use of your password, or you can make use of SMS verification code. And it's very easy to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.